I don't know why it did that. It's cold. It's probably about, I don't know, 10 degrees, maybe less, and it's windy. I'll try it again. I'll spin it around this time, but I don't know, maybe I should quit. Here we go again, same script. I'm gonna spin it around this time. I'm gonna spin it. Higher. Go a little higher. That's about all I can take. It's probably more like 0 out here right now. It's freezing cold. Just look at the ice on everything. Everything's iced over. I didn't want to take it up too high because, you know, I don't know. I'm still working on the project. So once I get it fine-tuned perfect, I know everything's right, we'll take it way up there. But for now, it's like, whew, man, it's so cold out here. This is like an ice cold drone. It's got to be freezing, because I am. Yeah. I got the Pi camera on there, but I got to get it working yet. I'm working on the Pi camera part of the project. We did the same thing. We ran the scripts, pretty much the same system. We ran the Python script with the phone outside in the backyard with the SSH the SSH on the phone, so you have to have the internet, you know, your 4G LTE connection to make that work. So it's pretty cool. It works good. I'd like to see the footage because I know I'm freezing right now, and I'm just trying to find a place to set this down so I can shut the camera off. Oh, my fingers are frozen. Whew. My hands are shaking. It's so cold.